20歲，從細到高雄態。好是20歲嘅我，會寫定兩張立場，老大家向下發講20歲嘅米。米擺都會有冇向專長嘅外國藝術家，批定我哋向下講，向下聊聊下嘅想法。北京木主打開耳講，兩條藝術家又會帶俾我哋乜嘅想到嘅事情呢？吳在德國係當有名嘅藝術家，你做得想到佢有幾不可嗎？聽得我哋看我兩下會用薯條變出乜嘅火聲。我哋兩下來到台灣有當到木雕嘅生意，因為我哋嘅來賓來自德國嘅 Ulf 係一位當熱情嘅木雕家。
Hello.
Hello.
I'm Ulf. Yo, I see here a very broken bridge. What happened to it?
This is used to be one of the highest point of railways,
Okay.
but because of an earthquake, it's broken now. So,
Okay.
but it's like astonishing to even look at it.
It's like a monument.
Yeah. I wonder how they used to build it, back so long ago, and then this huge.
How long was it
Structure.
ago that this happened?
This was built during the time when Japanese was here, like colonial.
Okay.
Yeah. Is it your first time in Taiwan?
No, actually the second time. The first time I was in Tainan for a festival and more these big cities.
But city, okay. So I'm now, this town, it's so famous for its sculptures and all the, carving stuff. So I'm gonna bring you to a museum to take a look at what this town would bring us. And it's also a very Hakka town, so you're gonna meet a lot of Hakka ingredients and elements.
So, okay. I myself am a sculptor and I work with wood, so I'm very interested of this experience, to meet Hakka people and see what they do, see how they work with their tools.
And Sani, it's famous, so famous for camphors, the woods,
Okay.
camphors and cypresses.
Okay. Oh. Looking forward. Thank you.
And 為本人喊做木雕王國，全就係生意也所採講咯。也山上就有年年嘅藝術氣味，大家保有台灣前方行嘅木雕文化。大家都講德國嘅工藝真優秀，也下就會本人見識台灣嘅木雕有幾強。So we're now in Sunny, the Museum of Sculpture.
Okay.
And the beginning of how this place, Sani, is now famous because it's now so famous for sculpture. How it all started is because they used to cut trees to export it during the Japanese colonial time.
Okay.
So they were exporting it, and so the roots were right there. So
There
it
were the
wasn't
remains, the rest of
the
it.
remains.
Okay.
And because the sun and the rain and all that, it's because it's like there people didn't intend to do anything, but it stayed there, and then it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
So
It's a sort of very rural form.
It's probably something.
They use the tree form to shape something, some box.
So the root might just looking like this,
Yeah,
it's really rough.
Okay.
So people started
like
to
it.
think that it's beautiful, and because there are so many trees right here, so artists, they come to this region and then they take the wood and then do the carving in Sani.
Wow. Very nice. And there are some historic photos, I think. Let's see over there.
So it's the Japanese.
Yeah, you see them working.
Yes.
with
They used to have factories. Working there are like a lot of artists in the factory, and then they export it. It was really that time.
Okay. They're sitting in front of a really big pile of wood and take it out and then sculpture and carve
You
it.
see these? You can see the process of them
it's
making
so
it.
many I feel very happy because I'm honored because I have the opportunity to travel the country and meet very interesting artists and have personal contact. I started now to learn a bit about our background, about Hakka culture, and I'm very impressed, I have to say. Okay, let's look here. Oh, that's nice.
The roosters. The roosters has it.
Yeah, here's a very straight up position, and the cutting of the
skill.
tools.
The skill
the tools
itself
you use
is
it's very deep. So the light and the shadow have a good contrast.
Oh.
Yeah, that's.
And
if you
it feels
smoothen
like
it too much, it would be not so. Contrast.
And it feels like he's like, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? Do you see his eyes is like tilting this?
Maybe he will jump back to you in the next moment. It's a little bit similar with this one.
How do you say similar?
Similar in kind of making big contrasts in the surface.
Oh.
When you look at his face, the eyes are very deep in the shadow zone. He opens his mouth. He is also very dark, and then the beard comes out like.
And he's like holding
He's holding
something.
something. When you see the gap in the basement, there's a gap, a natural form.
Yes.
And he just steps over it, so he uses.
He's probably like he's just completes something, and then he's like, oh, look.
Yeah, he's a strong man.
Very.
And the surface is not very delicate. It's like smoothened or polished, so it's like this character. Huh? The surface,
character of it.
the way of sculpturing it, the character of the person is all one expression.
There's
Very
like
good.
the inside and outside both.
And this is the same here.
It is.
I don't
It is.
believe.
You don't. Why do you say that?
Yeah, it's totally different attitude.
That one is
Very expressive.
This one is like so arrogant, but that one is like so hopeless. Like, what am I gonna do in my life? Like that.
And so his head is leaning backwards, so he's looking up. What is coming to me?
Yeah.
He is coming to somebody. He's not coming to something. Something is coming
Something's
to him.
coming. Oh.
Yeah,
he's like waiting for a kind of.
And he's a little bit scared, I think. It's not.
And it's so weird. Like it's just like two holes, but then it shows the hopelessness.
Yeah.
And also the face, it's like.
I think I'd like to see the sculpture. Do you think it's
The sculptor?
possible? Yeah.
Should I make it possible for
Okay,
you?
would
I
be a
will.
good idea.
I will make it possible for you.
I look forward.
I will. Mission.
Thank you very much.
Oh, okay. No problem.
上到屋木做嘅係黃瑞元先生嘅作品，也兩種唔講，你應該唔會知道係強啥人做嘅。做嘛該會阿冇相同咯？你真見相唔同呢？係家家興問先生好嘅。因為向左走向右走都是木頭。
王先生。
嗨，
你好。
好，分享。
Hello.
係眼嘅朋友哦。
I'm Ulf.
先生，你老奶就讲一下，就是你给创作给这种你知道过程，因为像董董的作品啊，他们木头的表面都是一定要刻的，就是很平滑。Like most of the some artists, they want their wood to be like really flat, but then you see his work is like so rough. You know?
Okay.
What is it? 是两个黑。
那主要表現咧就講，雖然啲人嘅程度上，亦係講身體上留下了嗰種嘅烙印。一個烙印就講我皮都細睇，老細
Oh, that the meaning of this is like sometimes in our lives, physically or mentally, there will be some, you know, those times when you have
it hurts.
it hurts, and then these scars, these wounds, they accompany you until you die. Yeah.
May I make a comment on it? What I see in it?
Yes.
So, for me, what I understood, what you explained, is a little bit like They just by random making marks like insects running around,
哦，
chaotic like.
很像那种就是虫子这样，就是什么蝇啊什么那种，然后这样飞来飞去这样。
And then sometimes out of the chaos there comes a sort of structure. They run around. They concentrate on one place more because there's something, and so it's like coming out and it's more detailed. And
其
when
實我卡好家吼，我係送乜？
松麦，
就個係化水墨嘅個墨汁。
对哦，你说上色，
对对，会上色，墨汁上色落去張開始去用砂紙抽膏。
哦，
砂紙抽膏，甲下壓到較高嘅地方，跟壓中嘅本來嘅書嘅色就會出。
yes， you know，
可以。
幾講幾度呢？
係啊，
幾滴嘅？
係啊，就咁樣呢。
Let's take a look。
this is polished.
一個就係有上面壓天哈，上面就較淡啦，冇暗色，沒有那麼
都比較淡
的，
是
較淡的顏色。
那這個是兩個黑馬嘅系列 ，Let me think。
也係這個這個世界。
哦，這個也是。那的 R series，
Okay.
黑馬嘅會有 R 系列。
喺入面係啲2000年家下係講唔紅係去揾廣告係有係感覺嘅就係什麼樣重生啦，我就再回顧係嘅他們19年跟身體唔好嘅嗰種狀況，我就回顧那個部分，也沒看到他個心度方面有傷痛啊、無奈啊。
When I met Mr. Wang, it was really touching. It's not always happens that you really feel some deeper understanding, some sympathy for a person as a human being, but also as an artist. What struck me very much was that he has gone through harsh times in his life. He was a very stable and balanced person as I experienced him. So he really managed to overcome bad days and be looking to the future and be fruitful, like the nature is.
Hey, is it heavy?
No. It's just as I expected. So I keep it like this. It could be a heart.
This is like you're holding
energy.
You're holding his lifetime experiences in your arms. 感觉就是他很像在把你一辈子的那种心路历程抱在手上。
I must say I'm very impressed how you answer about the challenges of life with your work of art.
看電先生嘅作品就啲，佢喺屯路行到幾件事呢？佢嘅生命到底發生乜嘅事呢？我哋聽下來請答案。
Now we take a look at how he works. 这里还是大概，
唔是，還是家唔是靠力量，就直接就上樣嘅卡，中樣嘅卡咧，都係會將人整首歌啊。好 ，OK。
So now you're still like
So you
really
hold it like this. I saw. It's not.
用
So you have more
用安尼啦，
control.
Okay.
個變過來變過去。
Yeah.
Bingo, like, oh, so you can flip it over like the way you want it.
Change the angle.
好。
Oh. Thank you very much.
Oh, this is so huge.
I need my glasses. Okay. And then
安尼，切咧過來，切咧。
yeah, I know.
So you chop the thing
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
Yeah.
Not just. He's looking more and more concerned.
He's afraid that you're gonna destroy his work.
In 100 years' time, there will be an art historian. He will look at the figure and will say, the texture is very delicate.
Everything's very delicate.
Except one region. In this, I don't know what happened here. It must be somebody else. Maybe I learned some new techniques, how to work on wood with other tools. But what struck me most the recent days was the Hakka spirit, let's say, a culture who comes from a situation where you have not everything. So you start from a poor condition. And that's a culture we need for the future, I think, very much.
平常你小时候你就会滴俩 V 長大嘅，即係大家茶園啊，還有
世家吼本身就喺啲農村，就喺苗栗派嘅比較出身嘅吼。那屋卡來講，本身種茶、種羊菇啊，跟誒菊花做種過啊，像摘茶來講啊，從細個就摘到大嘅。
So very basic contact with natural things.
所以家全部用樹摘嘅，摘嘅入邊當通啊。
哦，所以就是從你小時候你就老兩片土地有很多的接觸。
係啊係啊。當時來講，苗栗縣就喺山區嘛。山區來講，它基本上就當到種樹啊。一個種樹來講，看到一個種樹。
So this is the material, the camphors. So he carved with. So we can take a look at it. Okay.
做得落看入邊。一全部就係種樹件啊。種樹件。
This is the camphor.
一個可能拗起來，可能還會有味道啦。
就是兩個種樹有不同冇共用嘅種嗎？
有啊，有牛種，參與呢上講上種個粗種啊，種樹。
你嘅作品嘅種係乜嘅種？
嘅牛種，嘅海拔500到800以上嘅，因為佢嘅較寒咩，海拔較高加較寒，佢生長嘅速度會較慢，因為生長是速度動腳，所以佢嘅入邊淺山嘅種嘅木案質地木案好啦。
那木雕老兩個有乜嘅關係嗎？
佢當時講，佢一倒退過去，嗬，唔知後經過多年過後，而家看到嘅白蟻咩？嗬，因為1920年家有上面有一個吳建寶先生，因為一到倒退家就開始要改那種色嘅啊，佢吳建寶先生就係啲嘅改家下發現到講，一個樹頭嘅樹根咧，嗬，本個胖顏色的凍漿啊。
胖顏色。
胖顏就是白蟻，
哦，吃得很漂亮。
吃得很漂亮，它的樹根變成很漂亮，很漂亮，佢就拿轉去屋卡去洗啊，當觀賞。上面較特別咧就講上面嘅雕刻嗬，一般唔看到嘅佛像雕刻，也係家具雕刻。佢本身來講係一個樹頭拿去自來水泡過，切到方形或者切成片才雕刻嘛。山艺的雕刻剛剛講的就從原木開始，之後它發展的山艺的雕刻就是這樣切下來，或剪到一個木頭，它都可以用，它都沒有再做切割，沒有少掉那個切割，它就所以山艺的木雕，你去看很多的都
很原始的，
對，很原始，還有很照那個它的天然形就會看。山艺當時63年加非常多的，幾乎規個山艺就啲個做雕刻啦。連挨了學士嘅家就63年嘅時間。家來講，連4個3年茶嘅阿伯就不用睇啦。 做条件，给同蓬勃发展的世界，外地来学士的啦，也都也同多啊，给亲发展的世界啊。
盐凤村了也系嘛个米托啊？头家，你喊下去耶，用的爱的喊里暗夜，你就先用香米分享爱的。头家，你好，嗨。So this is the boss. 你好，我係上天，但係我嘅朋友，哦，佢係德國人。我帶佢來試看看我用完做那個檜木嘅，不是
種
糯油，因為我哋已經去做那個種糯嘅雕刻啊，還有動到嘅藝術品，唔過了哈，我來看一下。那個樟腦油係按用做嘅。
哦，做雕刻挺好做呀，裝飾。裝飾要做好呢，要批到香門款。
有啊，我哋啲坐嘅時間就聞到當場嘅。
當場批款啊。
Oh yeah.
When we were making it, we were like always smelling the sculpture. So too much. OK. 那俩它就是从按用俩。就是那个我们做完嘅那个雕刻啊，它还会有时候我们都会看到动到嘅碎屑，那些也都得拿来
做的炼油，
做的。那俩哈，我们要把它切的小小的。
炼油的东西有嘛？吼，像个树的，吼，像个台地做雕刻呢，像树的丸子呢，也好好做来做雕刻。佢切开就像较细地呢，吼，然后呢粉碎到细细地，就做的焗油。你要去看那个雕刻的，对不对？
对，我们也有
木屑
做啊，
对。等一下我们要打成木屑。
好，那我们来帮你。
好，你要不要来 ？OK。
Let's try.
小心哦。
Be careful.
阿布奈。
阿布奈。Is that Japanese?
Just watch. Just you show us.
呀，你示范我们看。
这个这样好。
OK。幾個力氣動態？
唔係，嗌咩動？係嗌講橋，不彈完咯。
小心哦！
哎呀，哇！有啲。因為3年呢，頭擺有裝腦曲，破閘站時呢，有啲裝腦曲。裝腦曲講關於阿啲樟腦豬，有啲樹灣嘅裝腦油。最早期全世界台灣阿啲外銷裝腦油係世界佔70%，係算真多哦。到民國41年嘅呢。嘅裝腦制度就改替咧，加咗開始安尼腦油就較無因素嘅咩？啊，到這樣時呢，也就會台灣農林公司因為加國民政府有縣政府農林堂，也就會當到天咩，就幫我哋種香茅，就完全焗香茅油安尼。
為咗裝腦油嘅第一步，係攞薯條變成雞絲，冇問題，就不愛掉了，助你4臂之力吧。And now we put it into.
No， 還要開電。
Electricity.
電，來，翻着。好，這個要很大聲哦。
好。
I really liked this guy. He just embraced us and took us in his world. So I really liked to work with him. It was a very loud experience. And he was all the time we were talking without speaking the language of each other. He was very communicative with us. It's the perfect image for Hakka spirit, this man. Really hard labor, but always in a good spirit.
OK， 现在我们看到烫，底下有烫的时候，就到那边，很快就到那边。你要先从这里热，它等一下会从这里出来。底下我们这个会从这里出来，底下会有香香的风出来，就是变水。有没有看到？有没有跟油花？有没有颜色变得越来越黄？
It's getting more yellow.
More oily.
Oily.
Yeah.
我得帮你的看一下。
等下，你不要给我倒掉，这个可惜，你看，底下是，哎呀，
你油落水嘅可能是。
油。
No,
Sorry.
That's so nice.
Good soup.
Good soup.
吃啊！哇 no。移民農業嗬，人家係算一種嘅傳承啦，傳承這個ที่要燃料也農業嗬，種樹也就係呢度咪，後擺颱風也就問題也係一個樹嘅市面上種樹嘅兩台話係動態，嗰種樹嘅農業呢，其實房屋呢咪有效啦。也就那做木呢也就呢，尤其像人家就壓石台嘛，像我出街呢擺板也就話，呢個用招紙出嚟落，其實用農業嚟當好出啦。因為前屋企畢竟係台灣呢高山呢乾製片啊，嗰係要因為風采這樣要啊，量係有限啦，嗰都適合到安尼生類用較多啦。
還有乜個神奇嘅屋房見過？先來去有90年歷史嘅聖興茶站聊聊一下。接有人講，前人種樹，後人料理，保存古蹟食材無按過誒，那一類樹古神，保護土地嘅樹誒也功不可沒。等一下就會對屋來看一下紅地山那度嘅秘密。書中自有黃金屋，當然也有顏如玉。給你做的想象，屋嘅地度有樹嘅，樹嘅地度又有屋嘅形容嘅景象咯。書中，老啲速度好多嘅知識用到樹嘅紅，我到底點解講乜解啊？
Oof. So we've been making camphor oil,
Yeah.
and we've been doing all the sculpting.
Yeah.
So now let's take a look at what other functions could woods do. Yes,
So maybe use it for furniture or for some architecture.
we'll discover it.
Okay. Wow.
Hello, Brian. Hello. This is my friend. Oh,
hello.
he's a German sculptor.
Everything is origin in organic, so
Yes.
that's my
Intention.
main idea. So I call it in Chinese called 土地富裕计划. It's
Okay.
plain, it's in a protection, something like that.
It's like because the land might be overused and like being, people were like developing it so much, but it's time that we start to think about what the land has given us, and we have to give it back to them right now.
Yeah, actually, the protection, the plan got 2 steps. 第一，我用多一讲的话，第一个叫实体的土地富裕，就是我们如何去把整体的环境，包含树啊，包含这些花花草草，以及所有的生物，能够把它好好的保护。那第2层的土地富裕计划其实是跟人文有关，因为其实我们这里是一个小镇，3层小镇，那很多台湾的小镇其实已经都没有年轻人，因为他们都到都市去了 ，like Taipei or 高雄或台中 ，so 我想要做一点像是你能够提供他们一个比较好的就业环境，跟比较 good pay, and then back.
What jumps into my eye is that this very carefully used materials. So you let them in their natural appearance, like wood and stone, and
also
wood
this
in different kinds. So a very clear language of forms. So like it's modern in the sense. But it's also come back to the roots in the sense that it's a combination about the surrounding and the building.
Yeah, actually, this is Taiwan.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all Taiwan.
Brian 嘅意思就係樹誒沒有先來後到，用生態綠建築做設計理念，唔單槍係對一片土地嘅尊重，還卡係人老大自然共同生存嘅方式。
So we talk about the natures and the buildings combined together and live together that's the example.
Come on.
Wow.
Yeah, can have a look.
Just surrounded
这
by
个
the
就是环
building.
境和那个建筑共生。那 because of they came first, so we avoid it. Yeah.
And I see like 就是那一块很明显，就是它是木头，整个是
对，砍上去，因为它这个树比较特殊，是因为它往上长，所以我们保留了一些它可以生长的空间，然后我们也没有去破坏到它的根，就
And
protect
what will you
the
do
roots.
when this tree is growing more and more and gets more? You have to change.
It's because of the this tree.
Yeah.
Is they grow up, not grow big.
What tree is this?
樟树，这是樟
This
树。
is camphor.
Yeah.
So I
It's
bet like when
unique.
you open the window, it's gonna.
Yeah,
It's
you can
really
open the
good.
window.
Oh, we can open the window.
Yeah, you can open
wanna
the window.
see?
Okay,
yeah.
let's do. This
Oh,
side?
yeah. You need to like, yep. But be careful.
Okay.
We're not.
Yeah,
gonna
you can just smell the nature in.
I think the place here, it's great. I'm sitting here, I'm see in front of this nature, I hear the birds, I hear water running, I can feel it here. The building is a very delicate combination of natural materials, which is not too much worked on, so say ornamentation or something, so the material can speak his own language, can show its quality. Yeah, I find it very great, and it's also a place where the Hakka culture, they try to present themselves, to be attractive for foreigners, but also be attractive for young Hakka who are living here. So they should discover the richness of their nature and about the possibilities to be creative in this place and to develop something.
准备去拜访用树爬来做人工的降生位，等一下就不爱等清凉古的搞。
Hello, nice to meet you. Yes, welcome to our shop.
So you just basically 每一种木头聚合在一起，就是看长什么样子，然后
对，因为树枝啊，它其实就是生长的这个曲度不太一样，所以我们就可以依它生长的不同的方式，然后运用创意啊，来做整个那个造型的组合。
这大家都会你去家做嘅哦。
嘿啊，我先上做的，要太的啦。用树枝的原因是因为像他们雕刻来说啊，他们都会用比较块状的这个部分来运用哦。我想讲，树枝呀部分嘿一般人看冇爱的，比较没有利用的价值，所以就想说我们可以利用这些小块状的东西，在很环保的情况下来利用它。因为它是对整个大自然、整个对大地环境来说，它是最没有影响的。好，湘婷来，我们来这边请。
Thank you very much.
Thank you。到底要做乜嘢啊？
我哋来做家下看到的呀，人工的啊。好，你看哦，亚威有人工的，拥有动物，又有昆虫，对吗？好，呀哈，你想会做乜嘅
Some animal. Some animal from beyond fantasy.
Okay. Let's do it.
If you sculpture, you have one piece of wood and you have an imagination what's inside this wood, and you try to tip off all things which are in the way of the form which you have imagined. If you collect things and combine them, it's a different way. It's more like playful. It's more easy and playful, and it was also the coloring was, let's say, a little bit jokey, humorous, not so heavy, like I tackle the problems of life and death or something like that. It's more.
Explain yourself. Explain yourself. What is this?
This is me.
This is you.
Yeah.
Oh, I
I'm
can
like
see.
this. So everything is like
Yeah, I can tell.
something wild creature from the past.
And there's like the spine. Ah!
Yeah, very a little bit sticky.
Yeah.
Like
You look like a
really
pineapple.
aggressive.
Like
But it,
Coming from the
it
back.
can't move. It's totally exhausted.
This is
the
very
legs are
oof.
very, yeah. Therefore, mine has 2 long ears, so he can listen very carefully.
oh,
And these are the antennas, so he gets everything around.
absorbing different
feel,
ideas.
yeah, all the vibrations.
平常你觉得呢？
You see all the vibrations.
好不哦，
他真的很厉
做得
害。
好，我有懂。
OK，
呀，
啊，下一步是什么？
下一步就是我们来去参观我们的木雕喽。
好，OK，
好 ，Let's go。
Let's go.
Okay, thank you.
Do you want to carry it?
No.
No. Okay. We'll come back later.
好，小婷，来看下条我雕起来。
好。
好。
嗨。
嘿，压力很轻松。
哦，This is my husband, Mr. Lin. 嗨，你好。
你好。
要不是不你介绍好嘞。
好。We say thank you to her and say
Thank you very much.
thank you very much. 好，林先生，你要找那条。
这些是我的作品的展示区，嘿，那这一件是我开始就有小孩之后呢，就看着小孩子的成长啊，就帮小孩子记录的一个作品，嘿。
所以之后还有其他的小孩子的
有
哦，so
像
there are other
这个是他就是2、3岁的时候的作品。
I see. Okay, I spot something. So there are the other kids series. We can take a look now.
Yeah, yeah.
对，像这个就
Do you want to come forward?
Yeah, look. Just in
我女
front.
儿小学的时候，他们参加国乐社，就我的大女儿是拉二胡，然后就来创作一个作品。
大女儿
对
her first daughter plays
She-
a kind of 二胡. It's like a very traditional instrument.
With 1 string.
Two strings. One in the one in out, one in
哦，对，2个弦
inside.，
对，哎，
And this is like the firefighter.
哦对，
这是那个
这比较早期的，
打火
对，之前有做一系列就参加木雕比赛的，的作品，嘿，
Disney Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse protecting
Oh, 对，
yeah,
哎
yeah, the big friend.
And also I see these, you know, his eyes are small. 这个名字是什么啊？
哦，我就做有一些罗汉的系列，佛教里面有个500罗汉，哦，那个罗汉的造型就随意，就是没有一定的样子嘛，所以它的创作的空间就很大。
Okay, this is really abstract.
哦，这是
No, it's very realistic.
Oh my god, I didn't
That's
see
nice.
this.
对，
Do
这
you want
是
to see?
对，那就是台湾的快木，它因为它天然的木头啦，就是利用那天然像一座山一样，那我就用点缀的方式做一个小的人物在上面，嘿。
哦，我刚刚都没看到哎。
So is it some sort of religious monk? He's
是一个
meditating
他是
in
在
the
就是一
nature.
个修行的人，
Yeah,
嘿
it's
这边
some
打坐
monk
嘿
meditating,
Wow,
like
it's-
somewhere, you know, mountain range.
mountainside, so,
Yes.
So the proportion makes it big or small.
对，
So
所以你可以有各
yeah,
种
you always make the
形状
proportion with a human figure. If you have a
Proportion, what do
small
you mean?
proportion, now because
You
this
mean
is
like
a
this is
human
so-
being, you have the
And
impression this is very big.
啊，
So
就是那个，
刻的狭呢才显示那个山的大。
对，
这样子
so the mountains seem really
Yeah, yeah,
gigantic.
我在台北的时候是做神像，做了2、3年之后呢，大陆的神像就开始大举的进来，那这个市场就开始被打乱掉。那刚好有朋友来三义，那我就跟着他过来三义这边，那发现觉得，做雕刻其实要到三义来，这边就是各种资源啊、材料啦、人啊、工具这边都比较齐全，然后后来就来这边就开始转做天然的创作。这是我的工作室。
好，
哎
我们来 take a look at his
Wow.
artwork. So everything's so huge here.
对，
It's very industrialized. 这里很工业呢，
哦
每个地方感觉都很就是很重机械。
不然木头因为太重了，你一定要这样子，不然 般容易去闪到，就是吊车什么的。这是我们用的台湾在用的工具。
台湾，
对，这个是相思，跟小木偶的那个是一样的木头。相思木。
So here you are just working on some
新的
sculptural work.
对。
You make some sketchy drawings. How it would be the ongoing is?
这现在这个是什么？在做是什么？
我最近想要做一系列的金庸武侠小说的系列。先锁定《笑傲江湖》里面的人物。这个是主角令狐冲。令狐冲。对他就爱喝酒，还有他是独孤九剑。这个是那个任我行。他吸星大法。
吸星大法，我要怎么解释？
日月神教里面的教主，他的武功就是吸星大法，可以吸取别人的功力。
But you know, this is the natural color of the wood, so the pale face and the white hands. Is it by purpose that this is?
它的颜色是故意的吗？就是像
这原本的木头颜色这个是有上色，这个是有上色，身体是我把它上比较深的颜色。
This is the original color, and this is like he's paint. 那这些到时候他的脸到时候会涂在？
没有涂。
But he looks like him. Let me show it.
这木头还蛮香的哦。
It looks like you exactly.
I think there was a notable difference between many of his, say, realistic artwork and the self-portrait. The self-portrait was really serious. I really could admire it because he was really watching himself very closely. The other things were sort of realistic, but sort of conventional. There were conventions of realism in it, which he's learned someday. I don't know from where, and I think he has to overcome them to be himself. Like maybe in this self-portrait, standing and very subtle surface and coloring and so on. And this was great, I think.
看先生拿点工具。切了下去，动作真简单，不过通俗之前，佢一定想的千万遍，无系一铺茶铺铺茶的。你看，吴汉强先生拿佢嘅手绘粗稿本佢看呢。多位园林轮背，那位出题有台湾青少年嘅小玩客家人，听讲还有一位童玩高手，到底係童玩還是玩童呢？我哋已經玩心大開，你準備好讓我哋看下轉到細細嘅時間冇？幾隻冇經背嘅年代，到底有乜嘅好教嘅呢？還有啊，等一下嘅阿爸講乜嘅，其實我都睇唔識。
All right, so now we're gonna, you're a toy maker.
Wow.
You used to be, and how you started.
Yes.
So now I'm gonna take you to this master who also make a lot of toys. 先生你好。
Nice to meet you. Hello.
底下是就是从做那个嘎拉佛。I 要做功课那个嘎拉佛玩具 because toys in Hakka sounds totally different from how it should. So I did a little bit of.
You had
I cheated a little bit. Okay.
Like in school, when you make a test.
古做戏吼，累了累嘛，累爱先累嘛。要过了扭头，过了戏吼，过累了用了铁拍。铁拍就是夹，人累就是要较过铁拍。拍对，我家就那一个嘛，个人扭头甲铁拍。
First you break up the soil and then you put in seeds or do something and then you close it again.
So this is like.
以后吼，飞淹咯，淹飞几年就袂，较袂干硬，所以我爱用两个割拍，割破的艺术啦。
I see this, the ropes for the animal.
你应该都会要用的。
是一样，
And then
一样。
Is the person who is driving the ox? Is he standing?
对
like a platform.
你打到这里。
Yeah. Okay.
一个沙丘吼， 研究技术说吼，有的毛毛米好做哦，有的一小人都提供家掠土地吼，掠土地是浪费界，浪费掠差不多2000片嘛吼，家俺书包上提吼，贵嘛做装潢啊，贵就是退休了后，佫进来掠，贵讲还不会做，佫掠拢掠做掠吼，拢按书包上提做，所以话是无讲拢做无钱了哦，自家做，拢几家配啊，几家个规划，家规划书拢自家做的。因为较做细汉的戏哦，细汉戏较做因都无完全好爽，细汉戏拢自家做。较做因哦都简。
When they were little, they don't have a lot of toys to play, so they have to make their own toys.
我好笑。那打不痛没关系，那打不痛。
It doesn't hurt at all.
Oh, great.
聊。
Like this, and then buff.
来，聊。
And here you can. So.
聊。
好。1, 2, 3.
Oh, very crucial part.
Oh.
So I can speak only like this now.
And I see other toys. Oh, do you?
聊较少人爽聊，这聊就放天地聊吼，聊无命。
Wow. So like in the film Inception, does it fall or does it not fall?
Is it reality or is it a dream?
I don't know. I think I'm in a dream.
You're in a dream.
那你玩看，你玩看，你试看看。
Okay.
饲羊毛，饲羊毛冇咁。
Okay.
饲羊毛来，收来，你收落，来。
Technique.
Oh, well done.
But not so fast. The sound is not good.
那个有技巧的，我们会。
因为这个拉力哈，越大，那个越风速越够才会。
你的嗓音就会。
做那个风力有够大，那个才会响。
It's even more. You know, all those small machines my children are playing with. That was not in my youth. So I really tried to play with my hands, and therefore the toy experience from today, it very much touched my own experience, also my own way of constructing things for playing with children. Actually, that was the start of my, let's say, arts and crafts career. It started when I was a father and I made some toys for my children.
Follow the crowd. Come on, the crowd. Come on.
Okay, well, here we are working now.
我講藝就做兩個。係啊。好。
我哋教人做了，哦。嗱個停下。
Okay, he will demonstrate us first.
我揀了哦，佢要揀教了，我揀了。哦。揀教，係啊。
In Germany, you say it's ein Hobel.
This one?
This is ein Hobel.
来了，老给哦，有手套比较不会危险，手套在那个箱子里。
Okay, he needs the 箱子 knife you.
我感觉哦，有些子哦，甲老师讲，老师，我做了很有成就感。几个写字做出家真欢喜。我甲老师讲，咱搞写字若欢喜，咱就欢喜啊。但是我嘛想讲啊，甲传承下去，要么以后吼袂断的啦。也咁那就我上下我仲好玩啊！係啊，咩一頭好爽哦，真好爽啊！
先生，你定藝校，定藝校。
啊。
Okay, now I got the bigger ones. 先生。
So I'm in the middle.
Do you still want your money, Tom? Do you still want your ice cream?
我只係冇裂啦，係啊，佢架條裂啦，佢架條裂，係我只係冇裂，
係冇裂咧，
係冇裂啦。
You need really like strong man doing this. Okay, now my turn.
來，可以啦。
下來，我會帶定烏去拜訪一位木匠師傅，佢啊就係一位老早數嘅做朋友，用佢條創作係請你們推給你咯。
喂，調解。
哎，你們好，你們好，哎，歡迎歡迎歡迎，哎，你好，你好，你好。
小刚，你聊它这个做嘛的？
这个是一个洗手台的底下的木座。一般来说啊，我们会去看到的，通常都是已经做好的规格品套上去，或者是用那一个陶的底座啊，把它那个下水道的水龙头给它遮住。那我们想要自己做一个，所以我们就把我们的这一些旧料回收的做剩下来的旧料，我们把它凑出一个底座。
我木工是从画框开始的，因为那个时候我还在从事绘画的教学。绘画的教学如何要跨服到木工呢？最有效的方法就是做画框啊，跟画画又跟木头结合，所以我就为我自己的画去配了画框。那我不晓得去哪里找木料，但是我会看到有人在做商业空间的装潢。商业空间的装潢就会有一些东西，就是做剩下来的废弃木料。我觉得这也是从一种不足里面我们自己发展出来的一种优势。因为不足，你没有办法走正规路线，所以你反而得走只有你这种不足的情况下才产生出了的那种东西。
我们来看看这个茶几的2只脚，那我们把这个退掉之后，它可以2个就砍合，砍合之后呢，我们再把那一个茶几的面3块拼凑的，对，它这个是这样补丁啊，因为这边有一个洞，对，我们把它接一个补丁上去，
然后2个就完成，
对，
然后再把它所有木头
对，把它移到这边来放，所以即使是茶几的面，这里有几块？1、2、3、4块
，5，
对，5块。
There are 5 pieces。
连这个茶几我们都是这样把它凑出来，反而这种拼凑式的它，别有一番趣味性啊！一个完整的桌面就没了，但是当它是拼凑的时候，反而会让我们觉得，这些不相关的东西怎么也可以凑成这么有趣，这么生动。我们的家具就特别喜欢往这个方向。我们来去我常去的孙老板那边，我们去那边找木料。
We got to find our things to make our furniture。
万人講新的就一定好 ，Q 的薯條咪做得有新的價值。到底為了一般的家具有乜嘅差別呢 ？Shut up and do it！
这个地方有很多老板自己去收来的旧料，老房子拆下来的，甚至是菜园里面捡的啦。以这个来说，这个就是以前的窗户，窗户的窗框料。
So this is a window frame。
应该是底下的部分，这边还本来有轨道被拔掉。这个是块木料，这是块木，这个就是我非常喜欢的一个素材。再来，以这个材料来说，当我要运用它的时候，这个东西我都会想把它留下来。
This part。
这个残缺，我会把它處理好，保留它的这个残缺的美感，因为这是它的真性情。
对，它原本长的样子。
对。
As a material, as I have experienced and I've learned much more now, you can even eat it or can keep the insects away or attract a woman with something which is coming from the wood. And a wonderful material, naturally grown. You can use it for so many purposes. It's unbelievable. And any inventive brain can do something very special with it.
孙老板，
孙老板，
挑的这一些东西。
哎呀，
今天挑的算客气了。
哎，是。
今天挑的。
孙老板，你好，来黑奶个陪你。Okay, do you want to leave yourself here? Yeah.
小心。
Yeah. So this is 孙老板。
哎，是。
Hello.
Hello.
这个都是我们台湾古民艺的一些留下来的东西。我们现在市面上流行工业风，这个才是我们道地的工业风。
为什么是台湾的工业风？
西方的工业风啊，以机械重工为主。台湾的工业风是民间工艺的工业风。所以虽然都是工，但是一个是机械工艺，一个是手工艺。所以这个工业风是有在这一方面的不同。那我们台湾一直是以农过来的，所以这些东西其实恰恰好表现了我们自己先民经验里面，我们用手做出来的这些成绩，
生活做出来的。
对。
先生，你要来讲一下你 V 嘛，可不可以开始做两个事情，好吗？
这一方面记得是当兵的年间的时候，民国应该是70年代那时候。当兵的时候我们还住三合院，结果我当兵回来的时候找不到家，三合院已经改建了，楼房。然后之后让我慢慢引起的时候，我有一种怀念感。然后我就心里在想，我当时的三合院的情景，然后因为我们那时候当兵回来从事木工，又加上模板工，那之后偶尔在路上慢慢看到老旧的房子，我通常都会去偶尔观望一下，然后建议他们该维修的维修，不维修的某些东西就能回收，我也有点兴趣，就慢慢接触。
One man's trash is another man's treasure。来到家去材料嘅老屋，顺条家俩，我哋来看佢用热情老坚持，保留俩老屋同安度嘅古董。俩下我哋带点鲜好嘅材料去到工作室，看我两啥会变出用嘅东西呢？
小刚，
我们现在先从这一个东西开始。我的想法我们来做一个小台子。
这要干嘛？What do you think it could be？
还是我们要把这边切掉？
切掉？
切掉是有点可惜，可是它会比较完整。
He wants to cut. He wants to cut this part, but then he doesn't want to cut it because you're breaking it.
Yeah. It's always a delicate point. You can't take it reverse. Every cutting is a final decision.
Yeah.
同样都是木材，完整的新料，我居然没有感觉。我不是不会做它，可是我对它没有感觉的时候，我不会有那么大的动力想要去成型它。可是当我看到那一些旧料、废弃的木头、老木板，我发现它带给我满满的感触。我会想要靠我的程度跟我的双手，去把我所看到的这块老木板的最美的那个韵味给表达出来。
如果说我们要这样子钉，那我们这边可以再拉一个槽，我们这边钉一块，对不对？它会是满的嘛？满的我们这边再挖一个槽，让这个东西露出来这个方式它比较完整，而且它有一个强度去支撑它。那这样子的做法纯粹是为了珍惜它已有的材质，我们不去破坏它另外一个简单的做法就是把这个切掉钉上去，这是最简单的做法。但是这两个方式以我来看，我自己会比较偏好我们把这个做满。做就是照我刚刚说的方式，我们这边钉一块，
然后这边挖掉。
对。
So this is a very old piece of used wood.
From
and
Catholic Church.
As I learned from him, he uses old wood and sometimes he shows the former backside of something. So the former front side is not presented but the backside. So that of course this is very nice and it's also from the shape. Maybe when it's a chair and I sit on, I should use it the original way. But on the other hand, the backside is also very interesting because of this detail. Maybe there's a seal inside.
We should show it to
from
the
a
camera.
Catholic church.
Yeah, because you're a Catholic.
Yeah, I am a Catholic as well.
所以他想要就是像你的方法。
So I'm really in a conflict now. It's the first big decision. Use I like the original way, so it's very nice. Or should I make it the other way around? Like maybe it's a little bit some sort of concept also from him to show the hidden parts of something. I think it's very good. Actually, the chair was very comfortable for my back, but it was a little bit too slow for too small for me. I'm a little bit taller than the average here, I think. But the design of the post was very good. But also, like I was very touched by he took old materials and he respected the surface. He didn't polish it too much. He didn't close cracks and gaps in the material totally. He just let it open, but made bridges over it. That was very delicate and for me new way of treating this material.
But I think it's sort of like incomplete because I want to leave some space. You know, it's not like I didn't put nails with it.
Yeah.
I still want to because I don't really know what to do with it. 我想说以后说不定还可以再有某些想法。
这个应该不会是你的毕生代表作。虽然是第一件木工作品，那应该不是最高峰作品。
Yeah, leave
One
it
day
open.
when you're writing your memories,
Yeah.
it would be one picture.
I'll leave it open. And how Gige?
Okay.
So do you want to talk about yours? What is it about? And
Yeah.
you're not done yet, right?
No, I'm not finished because it's as always much more complicated than you guess in the beginning. You have to be very careful and thinking three dimensions. You can make lots of mistakes.
And like you and the boss said, 你们两个人都说 you can always make mistakes when you do the woodwork.
Can't escape. It's part of the job.
Yeah.
And I will finish it in Germany, and I will be glad to meet another friend. He's also a carpenter, and I will present him the film and the work of him. They will really love it, and then they help me to make the finish.
Without his help, we won't complete anything.
We have been lost.
Oops， 才挺好运嘞！都得拜访佢夢寐以求嘅竹林，來就來，人用咩本紅樹鑽哦？你講係咪？
And this is 陳先生 ，Hi。然後喺我嘅朋友，佢係德國人，然後佢按到
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. 按到相片，係你好。先生，你以前嘅時間唔係用做嘅，不過兩下就開始用做嘅，係因為乜嘅原因？
懷念啦，懷念係懷念我嘅祖先哦，係用竹做嘅，嘅土族嘅神法。
先生，像一般嘅做嘅啊，做得上到多高啊？
啲竹哦，而家按照條模樣，條模就是嘅啲縮到變咗嘅，啊，有啲動過，有啲冇按過。
人哋邊有動作嘅做嘅，錯嘛？
有啊。
我哋去試試看。
好啊，帶你看啊。
好
啊
，Let's go. We go.
We go to
the bamboo.
That was nice in the morning to walk up this steep way into the jungle. What impressed me was that it was some sort of richness of different plants, many different plants on the same place. So it must be of some value, ecological, I think. And I think it was a special place which should also show this richness of nature.
老師，平常你坐在哪裡就？哦 ，you see there 有某空用嘅這個做嘅，你看有這種的，然後有綠色。Do you see? It's like so different. It's like next to each other, but this one is already 兩個已經死了，對不對？
對，死的。
This is dead already.
He's no longer alive. I see.
我用嘅看就是他幾歲，要怎麼分
？This one， 你係幾年啊？
你係幾年嘅？
嘿，
我用蠻看啊。
顏色不一樣，你注意看哦。這個最好看的，這個比較老，越來越老，到 到最后就会 C 的，就会 C 的，早的 C 的。
哦，它有一个渐层跟颜色那种。
对。
This one down here, I get.
那个可以切吗？
那个可以，那个3年的。
Oh, good. It's 3 years.
3 years.
Wow.
Very strong.
Okay. I see a panda.
Oh yeah, it's falling down.
那一个做的吗？
个听音眼。
听音眼。It's a second year.
Second year. But it's hard to harvest it because it's very steep here. How do you have ropes to secure it from falling down, or is it no problem?
就是你看那种已经站没，很危险，它是在那种很斜的地方。我用吧，你们有保护的？
不用了，不用，我们常常爬这个爬很快，爬来爬去都可以。像我们爬不会很快，
Oh my god！
很快。
Wow. 对 ，very sporty.
好身手 That's why he looks so young.
Yeah,
he's like
very healthy.
in the jungle every day.
Also, I liked very much the way he was going through. So, for me, chopping is one, doing something with, but also moving through this kind of nature between the bamboo sticks is a experience I want to make.
Yeah. Because you don't have bamboos in Germany as well.
We have very thick trees. It's a totally different experience of moving in space, in nature, in our woods than here.
Yeah, because like black forest and bamboo
very
forest.
Thick. So they're like thick columns, and you're walking through, and it's very, very narrow.
Chunky 的啊，在德国有那个黑森林。不过某做嘅，故说他想要体验黑森林跟那个做嘅跟森林有冇嘅某共用。哦 ，OK， 那我们来试试看。
那个要点哈
，OK，
你那个下去，不要正面下去，你一跌倒，它会坐下去。
OK，
要身体要斜的，这滑下去，这滑
这
样。
OK，
身体要斜的。
对。
So you don't go this way, or you just go bye bye.
Yeah.
Okay, so you
just
go
one leg, just to secure your stand.
And always hold the green one.
Avoid those.
Avoid that one. Right.
Okay. So we can copy his moves.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, watch out.
Everybody be careful.
That's great.
其实做过的工种哈非常很多，你这种起种是重点，还有讲得很多，其他还有做工业用的，工业用的乜嘅用咧，做嘅鸡肉包嘅，鸡种嘅对吧？用轮做嘅烧一边鸡肉，做嘅种类哦，我哋地理附近啊哈，差唔多14种啊15种，做家鸡嘅哈系喵咪猪、贵猪。介是竹笋的吼，是绿竹、桂竹、马竹3种。
Alright, beep. The bamboo group, come on, move up. Chop.
You're a slave driver.
Come on, oh, what are you doing?
Working.
See that man there? He's so strong. Oh, good job.
So long.
Wow.
How?
So you know there's like the game?
Let's see.
Dun, dun, dun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about 10 meters.
About 10 meters. 大概有10公尺。
Incredible.
是吗？
3 years for 10 meters.
Oh my god.
So I'm 53 and I'm 1 meter, I don't know.
1 meter something.
70.
我们大概记这么长就好。
Okay, so the master asked us to cut half of it.
Okay.
You're good with knives, are you? Okay, let me try this one. Always the cutting when you pull. Okay.
So try to move here with low energy and much energy like this. Otherwise it's like...
Okay.
Yeah. Last one. Yeah.
hàng đi ra cái chút nã tụ, sang hàng mò kỳ kiều chứ hơn liều mang lô. Chỉ mò kiện đà ngày đến trong xuân lão gia đầu做嘅贡下山，唔過羨慕同唔講哦，是唔好少捱掉呢。
先生故事聊下你會講藝了。
好啊，好啊。
Okay. 講藝了可以看好嗎？
好啊。
So this is what we're gonna make later. This is a cicada, like that. Do you know what this is?
Yes, yes, we have it also in Europe.
Like in summertime, 夏天的时候。
对。
Always there, very.
没有这个大的是yam。对。
你说嗓音跟
对，不一样。
哦，这个跟嗓音。然后这个跟。
叽。
Also they make different sounds, the two different ones. Okay. 那我们让他来搓。
我来做。
好。
我来。
So we have to use the saw again?
Yeah, saw.
老師，我們
一節。
Like the body of the.
藝掉切一隻嘅。
一節。
Okay, so we cut like one part, like here, and here.
Okay, just.
Okay, so you from that part and I'll. Never give up! I'm almost there!
1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3。
1、2、3、Come on!
Yeah, really! Don't give up.
I think you get a better knife.
Better skills.
Better skills. 先生嗌講，一朵嘅比較好，結果唔係啊，我技術比較好。
Okay.
然後就會破回來，多兩邊。哇！
One plant which can grow, I was 3 years old and it was a size of 10 meters, incredible. So very fast growing, same time very strong, the same time usable for multitasking. When I think the skyscrapers, the most modern type of architecture, the construction outside is still, I think, bamboo, because it's so light, it's so stable, it's elastic in itself. So nature you can't surpass what's constructed in the nature.
So what are you trying to make? I know you have that thing in your mind now.
I try to use the end. There's a sticker for the head.
Okay.
Maybe it's helpful to see the structure of the bamboo.
Always not following the rule.
Or just making variations.
All right, my turn. It's so ugly.
No. No.
好醜。
It's cute.
It's nice. Shame on me. Oh, alright, never mind. 其實藝了返好咧。
Now he burns it. Maybe it gets more flexible.
哦，刨乾，you're like polishing.
不是刨給它乾。
為什麼比較乾會老皮？
好乾它不會發霉。它这个没有洗澡，你刚才说那个出生就没有洗澡，它这样做就会洗澡。竹子，很早洗澡，你看。
Do you smell right now? You should do a little bit of it.
With bamboo is something like a miracle. It's so strong when everything is not hurt, but when you cut slightly, then it's slightly injured, then it can crack with one moment. So very interesting material for many things. I think the range of possibilities is, yeah. My arms are not long enough to demonstrate what I mean. It's very low to high, from very expressive or toy to very introvert, meditative. Art has no limits to express something.
You're fighting me?
I'm fighting you.
You're so aggressive.
Oh my god. And then I got crippled. 我嘅腿冇堅鐵咧。你看，我嘅腿少一截。你看到嗎？长短脚了。You win, you're the winner.
I will try to sculpture a sort of insect, a cicada. How do you say? Cicado.
Okay.
I think your exemplar was recently found in the region of Fukushima.
結果我嘅那個日本豪宅出來嘅殘啊，我嘅成嘅怪怪嘅。And you see
But
also
very nice. Oh, and
and also this is made by master. 先生會用乜上到去做哦，因為做嘅真件要當到嘅用途。Everything you can make it out of drinking cups. 幾切架錯嘅哦。
Yeah, I think it's amazing. Bamboo is an incredible plant, incredible fast growing, incredible strong, incredible stable, but elastic as well.
還有 like 客家人啊，就是因為做嘅那個材料，就是你要物盡其用，就很像客家人的精神，你大概都要利用到很大的價值。
Let him tell something about his other artwork.
Yes. 經常還有那個，也係一個錯嘅。
最上
那個係
最細嘅啦。
最細哦 ，he said there are more sizes of this。那個係乜嘅？哦，我哋等下去看。去看 ，OK。那你介紹一下，就是那個做嘅係乜嘅意思呢？
你按照禪思禪有啊。做禪的禪啊，禪思想思啊，禪思系列
有各種的那個。
對。
最大的做得到哪一個？
最大的有大概100多公分。
100多公分。It's like 100 something centimeters, the largest one of the Trend series.
But as I touch it, it has an enormous density. It's pitch black. It must be hard as hell, I think. It's very hard to sculpture it, I think.
就是两个木材，这是木头的。他说就是有一个很紧实的感觉，嘿，刻的时候应该很困难，因为你看两个the line of it is like so tender, you know, it's not like that way. So, 骨头做的时间会很费力的。
对，很费力，但这个打磨更费力。
你说打
磨砂纸。
How's the name of this material, of this wood? The name?
那乌木，它这个木头啊，其实它有分皮跟肉跟骨头，它这木头的骨头是黑色的，它的肉是白色的。
I really would appreciate to take a small piece of this wood to Germany. Small.
OK， 先生记一记，就是顶面嘅地方，佢都拿木材拿回去德國，佢了下佢講佢很想要拿一個烏木。
做對了。
OK, I got you.
Okay.
I got you another gift.
Oh, thank you. Because he knows that when I return to Germany, I should do something, be creative with whatever I've experienced here, with materials from this region combined with maybe wood from my country. So be inspired by you and your.
So what do you think you have? Do you have an idea?
No.
You don't have an idea.
Just the material is very appealing. So really try to get in touch with it, also doing something with it, and maybe apply it also in the end.
给你大块一点。
Oh, okay, he's giving you a larger one. 嗰時候你講你會攞本幾一塊大塊幾公分嘅？
大塊動重啦，佢拍太掉，拍太細啦，唔好動重哦。
It's really heavy.
Yeah, you know, not too big because you know the problem. I have to go with the airplane.
唐先生講。佢做淺有善意嘅作品，用嘅薯條係留下淺難見到嘅烏木。藝術家出台創意，追求100分嘅線呢，我喊佢會學習。照上照下嘅都市咩見來見搖呢？我等家家去吃客家菜，等策马奔腾到湖边去。
去搬到空肉來了。
空肉，但係你自家做嘅啊？
對，自家做嘅啊。
So this is we call him 阿公 in Hakka, the grandpa.
Oh. Dankeschön.
你好，你好。
阿公，你攞嚟紹介一下，因為佢係德國嘅朋友，古時候佢唔知， 有嘅客家人都識物嘅。
你嘅炕肉啊，
Was ist das hier?
炕肉係豬肉帶下筍乾。
筍乾。This part I'm gonna show you. Das.
Ah.
Do you know what is this?
I just played on the cello.
呢隻菜啊，嗬，係頭拜年啊，嗬，我過年過節將要好食咧。
有嘅。
係。
People in the past, because they were so hardworking, so they only get to eat pork and all this kind of very such feast on like New Year times or maybe big celebrations. And now you're
special
very lucky.
Occasions. So
Yeah.
hopefully this is also a special occasion.
It is.
And I tasted a little bit of this.
Me
you
too.
You can't only play cello on it.
Yeah.
You also can.
Not only just making the staccato as well, but also
construct something.
This
is just fleisch.
三層豬. Okay, so this is like the 3-layer pork. The first layer, the skin, and then the
white fat.
The fat, and then the non-fat part.
Like I hold it just now, right now with my sticks.
Have a little bit of taste.
好食冇？
I like it fits the mouth. You can't speak anymore. Nobody understands.
Nobody understands me.
呢個菜啊，嗬，揾到客家小炒。
客家小炒。
客家小炒啊，嗬，一定要5樣菜。
Okay, there must be 5 ingredients.
我要豆腐乾、豬肉、芹菜、葱嘅要
Okay, have you tasted?
It's what it strikes me as an art teacher is that so many different colors and textures. You know, the whiteness of the tofu, then several different varieties of green and yellow and red and brown as well. So very good.
佢係一位搞藝術嘅先生啊，古時候佢講，那個看起來就是五顏六色嘅，還有米嘅食物，佢嘅咬起來的感覺，一模相用，米嘅都模相用。
In Germany, there's a saying, das Auge ist mit. A good meal is also for the eyes. So
this is a good meal. We should try it.
Yeah. Try different.
I would try the tofu. Oh, and you should also try the squad because.
The squad is this one.
Yeah, it is this one. It's very different from the fresh one, right?
Yeah. So now the tofu.
I love it. This one's good.
I think it must be all together.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Good food. I know.
When you bite the green ones, then
the celery.
Oh, really? The smell explodes in your mouth.
There's like the softness of the sound and also the crunchy sound and everything mixes together. We said 東河食.
Don Jose.
It's like very good. Don Jose.
Don Jose.
Yeah. So now, okay, this one.
Yeah.
阿公也嘅一天會落子醬，我用呢個。
雞蛋醬。
This must go with this.
雞蛋醬揾雞肉。
Take this, put it inside.
Yeah.
Ingredients, special.
Yeah, I'll also taste one.
Maybe a secret what is inside.
And the kumquat is also good for your throat.
Yeah.
We speak so much.
I smell it. What I learned also, the special way, this is chicken. We're not separating skin from muscles, from bones, but just cutting through the whole. So when you have a piece of it, you have everything. You have the bone, you have the muscle, you have the fat, and you have the skin.
阿公
That's special.
葱牙條啊，牙條就會留整幾個夾切，如果葱幾條就會留那個皮嘅就係皮啊，然後肉就係肉，幾條就會留起用開來，唔過牙哋唔會做人用。
各隻腳架説法無同樣啦，
每一個地方。
將係人介紹將呢份頸肉啊，喺將係條白好上時代家哦，一天愛過年有咩過節，都西田骨黃，將要啲頸肉好食。我介紹嘅雞嗬，我永遠來賣雞，全部賣本嘅，佢賣嚟成法。
In Italy, I learned if something smells very good or tastes very good, they make like.
yeah.
It's a gesture like.
这个在意大利啊，如果买个东西懂好是给就会爱啊。
呀，黑马个湖畔风光啊，不然让米哈姆都吃到大蒜。你看，个江县个湖啊，就像世外桃源一样，乌同啊都被让米景想到外特。也是的，俺就从行到梦都强用。My name I'm romantic， 係唔係我嘅 Romeo 啊？
This one Gemini, Pakana, Miss.
于先生，你係我嘅朋友啊，佢講到 Oof。 So
Hello.
his name is 于先生。
于先生。Yes.
于先生，我知道你嘅錢係你去家做嘅。You know the speciality.
都是用台灣竹子做的。台灣的竹子。
Oh, this is bamboo.
Yes, bamboo. And there is a butterflies.
買馬克 ，butterfly。
Butterfly.
係馬克對啊。
Your sign.
富田伊两个多少签约买到国外去了哈，国外经纪人讲唔知道台湾的 logo， 所以哈，我想一想去，叫蝴蝶是咱们作为代表台湾。春节改蝴蝶田多诶，提墨西哥嘛哈，提是台灣的嘛，其他给搞凍手，哦，日本那米嘅凍手，蝴蝶冇多，哦，墨西哥來台灣田多啊。
What is this wood?
木片薄貼上去，對。
Oh, this is like the wood piece he just sticks on.
Yeah, but which kind of wood?
Maple 那個。
Maple.
Yes.
That's for the.
Yes.
這個弦全部都是你。
弦我會做，我會示範啊，我會做切肉弦、小提弦，我都會做。
He also made the strings himself.
No.
No way. No way.
我等下可以示範。
He will show us. He will show us later.
Yeah.
Yes.
I can see. Oh yeah. That's interesting.
Yeah. Sashimi.
And this is a sort of palisandro or this wood?
是烏木。
烏木的
黑炭。
Wow.
The very precious 烏木。Yeah.
Oh. Well done, Mister. Very good.
先生，你在彈一首歌。
彈一首，他應該聽得懂了。
好。
Amazing grace. I don't know the text. But it's very beautiful. There be some
to be here with you.
Oh, very nice. It comes from the heart. The song. Very good.
全世界都知道，全世界都知道这首曲子。
It's worldwide.
Yeah, everybody knows it.
Everybody knows it.
But really nice with bamboo. I've never seen with bamboo. I once heard there were some musicians come from the South Pacific, and they went to Europe with their instruments. They were made of bamboo, and they had terrific problems because the air was so dry in Germany. They had always to cover the instruments with blankets,
different
with water.
adaptations with.
Otherwise, they would crack immediately.
Yeah.
It was very difficult for them.
新山技工啊，就是那种每一个地方出来嘅木头啊，每个国家，然后你老给带到别的国家，可能因为那个湿度啊，还有温度某空用，然后就会很容易坏掉。
我是把就带到美国去啊，就回来这样。
Yeah, already.
This is
带到
from
美国去。
a mark from America.
Oh no!
对啊。要那个要适应啊，要带过去前要先适应一段时间，那温度后再带过去，差不多1个月半大概2个礼拜就可以了。我是没有直接带过去。
先生，你还有做其他嘅乐器？
还有做太极拳、中提拳、小提琴，还做吉他，还做乌克丽丽，还做弓，来个弓还弦啊，来做。
So you are not so specialized. In Germany, you're more. If you're a guitar maker, then you're a guitar maker. You just do just
very
this
diverse.
and violin as well. So, but I never seen somebody who can do all
Everything
those things.
together.
So it's universal.
We have to take a look now. 先生，你等下就去看。
等下带你看。好，对。好。
OK。
好，Let's go。
空地也背後嘅係一位做樂器嘅歌手。韓國人嘅係喺第一擺看到主吉他嘅，做嘅聲音全都做得出來 ，from womb to tomb 呢，係咪讓我強用驚嘆的雙下巴都要粘回去了呢？
應該做茶蟲嘅東西，教學生茶蟲，茶蟲我成日有種玩嚇。我教學生做。哇！茶蟲。Look。
Oh, that's very nice.
做呢種。
Totally different. You know what we have seen already?
Yeah.
It reminds me of something.
Yes.
Doing together small things, patchwork. Never chip away any
don't
piece
waste
of anything.
Yeah.
Wow.
So 两个就是这个机器会做。
It's like here.
工艺品。Oh, it looks.
Wow. That I even didn't see. You see? I see something, but he shows me something new. Very nice. Even a teapot. Gedrechselt.
And this is the butterfly he mentioned.
Yeah, here's your side.
你都想講下同你設計講座啊？我應該自己了解。
This is a trophy.
Oh, an award.
Very good. Very oh.
慢下。
Very heavy. So
Butterfly award.
平常佢有做那個講座，
係啊，
那個音樂嘅活動嘅講座。
一家嘅文化單位嘅講座。
哦，人講佢有做那個。
講座啊，
他自己雕嘅。
I'll show you later.
Yeah.
It's incredible. It's beyond belief what this man did. Yeah. And he's a generalist. He does everything. And everything in a pretty good quality, I guess. The string was really knocked me down. But with the violin is funny because you know you have here in Taiwan this world famous collection of old Italian instruments, which I was happy to meet in the beginning. Hakka TV made it possible. And now I'm here at the end in this self-made violin maker's factory, and he made something new. He added some material from here, from this region, and I was happy to play a cello made of bamboo, and it really sounded somehow different. You know, any material is transporting some of its quality into, say, an instrument. And this was not easy to play. I figured out in the end there were some things I would have to practice to get the right contact, to get the sound really always controlled. But as a start, it was very nice.
Oh no!
來見下2010半年做啊，2011半年做多年。
You play together. You have to.
Okay. He made this like a year. I don't know how to play cello.
Yeah, just regularly do this.
Okay. Dum, dum. Again.
Okay.
And it's so hard.
A video.
Do, si, do, re, mi, re, do.
Louder.
Is it? La, si, do, re, mi. Oh! I feel like we're so small under.
You feel like Lily Putana.
你話咁樣做嘢嘅
我
啊？
當喺多橋做當橋嗬，都幾做見音啊，
哦。
做見音，係咪送喺 call 送喺前面部？
You have to play like this.
行拜。
Oh, he will give it to the team.
To the
teammate museum
Really?
sooner or later.
以後。
Yeah.
They put it in the.
我好順大家好。
Yeah，他們應該要放在那個 lobby. It's too big in the. It doesn't fit in the lobby. It's too big.
No, I was to the gym.
They should create another glass house for it.
Oh. Wow.
Incredible. I cannot believe this.
因為台灣做個用唔踢，所有站嚟踢，做個用唔踢，係咪大家用做係咪好冇環保嘅問題咧？你做個站唔踢，所有站唔踢，先依到標準嘅差點啦。不過一般嚟講，係睇你哋啦，係睇你哋。聽我講嘅我嘅先生嚟，未咱們嚟學堂。
你先生嘅原來哈來做。
然後佢做小提琴弦。
So we're making the bow, the strings.
The strings.
人家做小提的第3條第1弦。
第3條嘅 the third string, the D tune.
Yes.
Yeah, you know about it.
哦，你佢嚟做嗬。
好。
G8.
你先做本嚟用佢。Do you know how to make it?
No.
Okay, so we learn together.
So he put some. This is the beginning. This
Yes,
is silver.
一條。小提一條。
那個條。
你掛上去先，掛上去。哦，你要做一跌，跌到個小雞一炒。繞9次。
繞9次。So you have to do this 9 times.
唐先生講做現在嘅歌聲，每步都需要動專心，我爸唔得，也是個事情，也係一種考驗。一下，我就羨慕老人講法，我會專心嚟做現在哦。
先生，你哋做嘅應該會倒得很慘哦。
這個剛做不容易哦，上手都不容易。
Is he okay with the idea that I take it to Germany and
Yeah,
my wife
he
will
said
play
yes.
it?
要violin
Yeah, she's a violinist.
violin D.
Yeah, violin D.
Yes.
So whenever she needs to change the string, she would use
So
this
you
one.
make a urgent call when she needs something. Wow.
All right.
Oder Vincent auch.
Now it
You
is
see.
our turn.
You watch.
We do it. We won.
I'm shaking, you sing.
I hand you the holy strings.
You hold me. The holy string and I make the holy shit. So, I started here.
No.
It's just beginning wrong. I'm here like being a father whose son will make instruments as well. I'm the brother of a violin maker. I myself play violoncello, so when I'm at a place like this, many connections for me personally. Yeah, coming here to this special place, it was also like feeling the place, wonderful arranged, not only a workshop but also presenting the results. And at first time I just thought I checked out and have seen what he's doing, and then he took the first thing and it was something totally different, which I not saw. This wonderful with turning wood, put together different small pieces of different wood, and the first thing was like it's totally haka, because you join together small things and create something beautiful with the remains which other people would throw away maybe. So that was also striking. And then it didn't stop. He does furniture, he does some sort of engraving in furnitures, and he makes the instruments, but not only violins, but also guitars and mandolins, and I can't tell what else maybe. And then he does some sculpturing as well, and then he does this string thing, which knocked me down, I must say. I just watched him making it, and it was like totally... If somebody does something for decades, then it becomes totally natural. It's like he doesn't even think about it. And I really was scared about the moment when you tell me, now try you to do it, because I knew I will fail totally, because it's really, it takes a very long time, years of training to do it this perfect way he did it.
Now we've come to an end. Not only to this master, but also with your journey.
Yeah. It was something. It was something.
I know.
And for the end, I will take this special instrument, special for me, as being a cellist.
Yes.
One of the instruments I play, but special from very different kind of wood, which he's using. It's
bamboo.
It's a bamboo we have already experienced during our last days.
Yeah.
What you can do with bamboo, and I never had the idea that somebody could use this to build a cello.
Yeah.
And touching it and trying to play it some 10 minutes ago, I really was struck by it, because it produces also a particular quality of sound which I never heard before.
It's a brand new feeling for you, like, you know, making the haka patches with the furniture, making the wood carving, cutting the bamboo, and what else? There's so many memories we created together.
We had really some touching, very great days, and I have no words. I think I have to go back to Germany and process what I've gone through, and I have taken many wonderful gifts from different artists with me, material to work on, and I will surely produce something and give it back, make a short film about it, and maybe you can use it for the film.
And the gift is not only for you, but also the strings.
Yeah.
The strings for your wife as well. Yeah, you got everything so much.
And especially this master here, I can't believe what the range of interests.
And this is, you can see possibilities. You know, this is
in doing something.
possibilities.
Yeah. And he really is going deep into the subjects he's interested in, and I'm without words to say what's going on in my mind.
Yeah.
Therefore, we stop with words. We're beginning with music.
Yeah.
And we have a special song.
Yeah.
You know it's.
先生 我哋會講真件動感唱，然後我哋唔可以用講嘅，我們要演奏一首歌頌本人，然後恰似你嘅溫柔 ，just like your tenderness when you were making the string. Okay.
再好唔講，唔過就像歌詞寫嘅，難以開口道再見。人家比 German 準，萬人係唔留很多寸本按多年，我會親懷念我哋鄉下經過嘅事情嘅。
In art, it's always many things come together. Many. I don't know if I have problems where I travel back because I collect all the time materials, different woods from here. Maybe I do something, combination of different materials, and then the form will be a reflection about people or the culture I met here.
Hello everyone, the artwork is finished. Let's fly. I made a small helicopter with a TV camera at the front so you can film everywhere. One of the guys is flying me over the wonderful country of Taiwan, and the back propeller is the Hakka TV Signet. The main propeller is made from bamboo, and the shape of the inner part where we sit in and the shape of the back side is contributed to a musical instrument I play, the cello. So there are many hints in this small object for you.